सितंबर टू सितंबर क्या होता है वो अच्छा चीज Google authentication किया authentication आपके पास कौन सा फोन है
Good morning.
वहाँ पे आपने कितना है Google authenticator ऐसा होगा ऐप स्टोर पे Google authenticator नहीं ऐप स्टोर पे आप सर्च करो Google authenticator ऑथेंटिकेटर ऐप तो नजर आ ऐसा ये होगा ये देखिए आप इसको पे आप डाउनलोड
You did.
अब आप इसको ओपन करिए और आपको ना शेड होते हैं वो डाल के एंटर का बटन SuperAreas पे जाके लॉगिन करो ना लाइव स्ट्रीम नहीं लाइव स्ट्रीम हाँ जी क्लिक करो ट्रबल हो तो मैंने कॉल कर ओके ये जो नया नंबर आया वो डालना है, ये 30 सेकंड में चेंज हो जाता है। हाँ जी, एंटर का राइट और एंटर का वर्क करना है। हाँ जी, ये होगा नहीं करना, आपकी वन ड्राइव चल रही है, हो गया, ठीक है, ये हो गया, ठीक है।
Down up.
अब आप अपना ना जो पेज वाइज करेंगे, इसको क्लिक किया, यहाँ पे नीचे जो अपने टाइम है ना, कैमरा ऑन करके अपना नाम डालें, जो सुपर एरिया जो नाम है सुपर एरिया यही है। नहीं, आपका है AMI
All right. Audio check. We should be live on Zoom. We're live on Zoom. We're live on Telegram. We are live on website. All right. Good morning, everybody. Wednesday, September 24, 9:02 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SuperAreas.com. Thank you for coming in person at one lifetime as well as online. My stream is started with a few others. So anything I say every day is not financial advice, just for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes only. First thing is first, Forex Factory. Only thing important today, 10 o'clock, new home sales, and it is medium impact. And of course, we have speeches. And if you're trading crude oil, 10:30 is the crude oil inventories. So let's take a look at what's going on at night highs and lows. You have night high at 24,913. So, honey, हाँ time पे
कल से कैमरा नहीं आया, मैं अपने वेबकैम से यूज करूंगा।
Okay, एक second.
जी वहाँ पे मैंने
No. All right, sorry. I have to go run, get the camera fixed. All right, so let's take a look at night high for NASDAQ, 24,913. Night low, 24,810. So we are 103. Where are we right now? We are very close to R1 at the moment. So night high and R1 is same. So price is at R1. Base is down, pressure is down, so it is different. Right now I'm test streaming a ES market. It's going to go offline. Just want to listen to Daniel's brief and then we'll go from there. And so if you soon, you will be able, under multi-floor streams, you will have a 24-hour stream running for ES and NASDAQ along with the time. So there is sample tests right now. So it's been broadcasting for how long? Video.SuperAreas. Okay. Right now, for example, 2 users are connected. This is ability to watch the order book with the full depth of market. And so right now, if you look at the live stream link that I sent it in Telegram, ability to see the, copy this. So it will rotate. So it tells you, look how many orders are sitting right there. So like 6,700 has 118 people sitting there. It gives you a quick glance of where things are and number of trades that have taken place on a particular tick. So right now, 16,112, 110 people are there. So based on the area, you guys can see exactly where the number of places. So let's say 42 to 45 if you want to see. So it will scroll up automatically. This is fully automated. So this is going to check. So what is our area for today? R1, let's say 32. So let's see, 67.32. So in both prices at 80, so 6,700 is quite a few. At S1 below has quite a few orders. And then 67.30 has quite a few orders. 67.40 has 50 has. So because there are 10 pages, so the system is automatically scrolling 10 pages up and 10. So page 1, page 2, page 3 now, and 4, page 5, page 6, page 7, page 8, Page 9, page 10. So 10, it goes up or down, 74. I need to fix it slightly. The 6,700. So after Daniel's brief, we'll decide, but for me, expected high looks good today. If it goes and tries to test it one more time, 25,000, we'll see. Yeah. Good morning. अच्छा एक्सप्लेन कर दोगे क्विकली कि हाउ टू यूज इट अपने सेशन ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਕਿ we are launching it ਇਹ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਜੇ ਤੋਂ ਬੰਦ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਸਟ੍ਰੀਮ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਪੂਰੀ ਆਰਡਰ ਬੁੱਕ 24/7 ਘੁੰਮੇਗੀ 500 ਲੈਵਲ ਤੱਕ
ਜ਼ਬਰਦਸਤ
ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ 24 ਆਰਡਰ ਲੱਗੇ ਨੇ ਉੱਥੇ
ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਦੇਗਾ
ਡੈਪਥ ਆਫ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ
ਦੇ ਲੈਵਲ
ਦੇ ਦੇਗਾ 24 ਘੰਟੇ ਉਹ ਲੌਗਇਨ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਸਟ੍ਰੀਮ ਤੇ ਡੀਐਸ ਦਾ NASDAQ
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੋਲੋ
ਅੱਛਾ ਠੀਕ
ਮੈਂ ਇਧਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਣਾ
no problem
ਕਿਉਂਕਿ
ਠੀਕ so no problem good hello yeah he's in the washroom
मैं ये ਦੱਸਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ यहाँ पे बड़ी
हाँ लेकिन इसके how to read it if somebody ठीक है no problem good R1 is officially done. Just waiting for Daniel's brief and we'll go from there.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum sir.
Walaikum salam, GMT. Walaikum salam. Ji, walaikum salam. Majid, Vikas, good morning. Ayaz bhai, walaikum salam. Nish, Vikram ji, Abbas bhai. Work ji, good morning. Naveed, walaikum salam. Sunil ji, good morning. Amar bhai. Mohsen, Manpreet ji, good morning. Sagar, good morning. Jagdeep ji, good morning. Ji, good morning. Sayyid Ali ji, good morning. Jagdeep ji, everybody, good morning. Ji, quick review of our disclaimer, guys. All material and posted on our web service or on our trading floor not attended as trading advice. Adjustment to enhance your trading decisions, but not make it for you. And we take no responsibility for any profit or loss. You're solely responsible for all your actions. And don't do what you see. Don't do what you think. Do what you see. And trade this market the very first day you trade on all the areas we have on our SuperAreas.com or on our graphs are not buy and sell offer or buy and sell areas. These are just for information and educational purposes only, and we take no responsibility at all for any action taken by any subscriber. Today, our S&P 500 dead whole night. It was dead. A very tiny range. Night session low is around 1525 and high is 2875. But overall, we have 27 point swing from yesterday. Expected low for the day. 49% price bounce back up. But I'm expecting this is almost 50%. So it means our yellow box, top of the yellow box is hit. But R2 would be a good area for price to pause because that is 62 to 75%. Our retracement of yesterday, 54.75 points on S&P, 246.75 points on our NASDAQ. NASDAQ went up 54, almost 54%. S&P around 49%. NASDAQ, if you see right now sitting at PP, S&P sitting at PP. Today, our base, you see previously base was, I would say neutral right now, sitting at PP area. Today, our S&P 500 high is, the best is high to go low. High to go low would be a good strategy. Base is down, pressure is down for both markets. 67.58 to 67.70 is high for S&P 500. Low for S&P is 66.80 to 67, 66.80 to 66.67. NASDAQ, our high for the day is 25,040 to 25,110. Our low for NASDAQ is 650 to 570 low for NASDAQ. Dow is below PP. Russell 2000 already break our night session low, heading towards our S1 area. Actually, just hit S1 and bounce back up in just less than 10 seconds. Look at the push on our Russell 2000. S&P below PP and pushing down. I'm expecting it should break to 67. Or I mean, yesterday low area should be breaked and test to go down further. News, 10 o'clock, new home sales is coming. Green to go down and red to go up. Then nothing, 4 o'clock. Crude oil inventory is 10:30. And at 4:10, we'll have a speech. That is, we don't care about it. Tomorrow is very, very important day. Tomorrow from 8:20, member speech is coming, GDP is coming, unemployment. Like tomorrow is very important day, and Friday is the inflation data is coming. Everybody pay attention on Friday. If inflation is high, definitely we'll see a push to the downside. Right now, Dow is bouncing. The Dow break night session high. Russell 2000 bounce back from our S1. S&P and NASDAQ are pushing down. And I told you, in my opinion and my experience, it should test our yesterday low area. And exactly our yesterday low area is S1 for NASDAQ and slightly below S1 on our S&P 500. Then we move to our Euro session. Euro is tanking. British pound just tanked. Big push to the downside against the USD. And the same thing with, if you see Euro at our expected low, British pound at expected low, in between S2 and S3 area, and it just brutally going down both Euro and British pound. Our Canadian dollar also down, just hit our expected low for the day, below S2 area, way out from our lower band. And you see there against the US is going down, but crude oil is going up, and crude oil just hit our expected high for the day. Actually just hit and bounce back. Now actually we're done. $400 on our crude oil. I will be very happy with that if it give me even $200 push to the downside from our expected low. 64.40, it went to 64.45 and came down to around 15 area, 64.15, and right now again testing our crude oil expected high for the day. Our FDAX at expected high for the day. Just it reached our expected high for the day. Gold is below PP, below value area, and gold should test our 83 area to the downside. So gold has more cushion because it went up at no retrace. I'm talking about a lower high on our 240 chart. So if you look at the gold, it's not giving us any push right now, but we'll see maybe in the future. Right now, copper went up just 1.5 hours. You see copper from expected low, it just from expected low went to our extreme high for the day. Extreme high and just paused at our extreme high, $4.73.74. That was expected for copper to go up. And then we have silver. Silver is just copy of our gold, sitting at PP. Just right now, half an hour, it pushed up, went test our night session high, and trying to test yesterday high, and right now at PP area. Silver 44.64 cents, 44.64 cents, and right now at 41 cents, 44.41 cents. Natural gas start bouncing back up. Right now above PP, just above value area, and magenta midband is there, and we're waiting for cold weather to come. And if we have a cold and natural gas, please guys change your contract today. You cannot trade an October contract. You have to change to November. Same thing with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin also you have to change the contract to October 25. Bitcoin yesterday went down. Right now, $2,240 push to the upside, still pushing up. And keep eye on our expected high for the day, somewhere 15,000, 115,000 is a very nice area for Bitcoin. Right now, R2 is holding the Bitcoin, and magenta midband is also sitting at the same place. And other thing I want to mention here, guys, a very beautiful update thanks to Rafay. You bring now S&P 500, the order book live streaming. Now, if this new tool will help you to see the real-time market data, market depth, bid and ask depth, and the display with the volume And this is a huge update. You can log into SuperAreas, you can see the levels, and you can see the volume up to way high, means you can see at least 100 levels. You can see where the volumes, people are setting more buyers and more sellers. And trust me, if you understand how to use this tool, then you are like, you can sit anywhere and you can watch the areas, and it will stop you. Actually, this is for the discipline. If you see a volume is sitting at 67.55 area and a lot of people are selling, you just go and put your order there. This is a huge update. And again, thanks to Rafay and his hard work. And yeah, very soon you will see these areas, and I'll explain you how to watch that and how to use that thing. Please, guys, take the areas. If you have any question, you can call me or you can text me. I will be here.
You guys heard the brief. So this is just again a prototype, just testing it. So just doing a live stream with my order as well. So thank you. Haji, R1. Thank you. So so this is my personal machine right now. I have an order sitting at 24,970 R2. If anybody took R1, you're literally done for NASDAQ and ES. Let me see. A couple of mid bands came along the way or not. Yeah, almost one mid band. SRES was built and it came down. So let me explain you how this tool will work. So it's auto going up and down a couple of hundred levels, and then you'll be, so when the areas come, let's say you want to see exactly which R2 level I should be. So if you see right now, 672150, 363 people are sitting there. Let me add this stream to SuperAreas first. So it gives you an ability 24/7, I mean, except Saturdays and Sundays. Sunday night it will start again. It will run automatically. You can check the depth. It will rotate with the nice light ambience music along with the way. So this is how I use my area. So if you see, so R2 is 24,970. So I will go to NASDAQ and then I will see, all right, at 970, how many people are sitting? 970. You see 940, almost 30 people orders are sitting there. 950, and then you have, look, 969, 61 users are planning to sell from there. 969. So you can use these to kind of get extra confirmation within the areas that which markets, if you want to take a couple of points, it will definitely go along with it. So you can go depth of market like 25,000. And if you're going to pay for it, it's $41 per month yourself. You can get it. But this is a nice tool for somebody. See, if I look, 24,969, 61 people sitting. So I will just move my order along with those 969. There you go. I've moved my order. If I want to look at 42 to 45 for R2, I want to take R2. So 42 to 45, 42 to, look, there's lots of people sitting at 48. There's lots of people sitting at 45. So you can move this somewhere around 45. So here's my entry. I'm planning to sell myself from 67.45 and here 24,960. Now I want to buy. So let's say I will scroll down to, let's say, S2 zone, then 6694. So Let's see where are the people are sitting. Majority. So this blue is the actual. So look, 6,700. Lots of users are sitting. So we can go 6,700. So I can go right here, 6,700. So a little bit, maybe a tick up or down, 67. Right click, buy limit. Now I want to look at NASDAQ, that where are more users sitting. Let's take a look at S2, for example. S2 is 710 to 730. That's the night low. 710 to 730. 710 to 730. 24,700, quite a few sitting. So let's do, there you go, 7.1, 7.10. So let's do along with them 700. 701. Buy limit. Okay. Yes, I am sharing. This is my live screen. You see my two orders. One is sitting at 24,701, other one 6,700, other one 6,745, other one 24,700. So this is my live stream. Right now it was night low was 810. Yes, give me 1 second. Let me check the night low. So there you go. That's my orders, and that's my orders. Let me tell you guys the you would like it's Bullnox $41 USD per month. Level 2, all markets. Bullnox sells it. So you just open up Rhythmic and I kind of scan the whole thing. Few tools I end up developing for myself, so might as well. At any given time, Rhythmic, why I come up with a streaming solution is I can't see a lot of stuff in terms of, on the app. So a website where I can log in and watch the stream is pretty good. So let's go back to ES. Ten o'clock is news, so a little bit. It was low, was 810. Yes, 810 was the low. And ES low was 17. 1775. So if you look at a 30-minute chart, this red line going is there. And 810 was this line right here. So it's broken. 810, 810. Where's my 810 line? Right here. Yep. But this is morning low for now. Give me a second. I'm messing it up. Where is? So 300 people are sitting somewhere around here. Lots of orders. Yes is always heavy. This is 810. A lot of people sitting at A11. Night. Low. You said good morning.
एक सेकंड
हाँ नहीं पूछा मुझे बिल्कुल एब्सोल्युटली
मैंने कहाँ बनाया था टेक प्रॉफिट
ठीक है
100 7 तारीख को
ठीक है
तो 2-3 दिन बाद
ओके
ट्रेड नहीं की तो 7 तारीख तक
हाँ आपके पास है और उनमें से 5 दिन ऐसे होने चाहिए जो ट्रेड किया हो एक दिन में नहीं पास हो सकता डजंट मैटर लेकिन उनका तो टाइम खत्म हो जाए फिर उसको कैंसिल करना है तो कैंसिल कर सकते हैं
नहीं अभी कल
हाँ अल्लाह खैर करे नो प्रॉब्लम
तो हो सकता है
यस यस नो प्रॉब्लम So touched our night low. Thirty-minute lower band is there. S1 is coming, approaching fast. Went to 799. Maybe I take my risk around here. It touched our area, 707. And we're done from the area, almost. 1 point from the area is done. If you're done, the S1, you're done. S1 is done officially, guys. Got pulled up. It didn't pick my order at 6704. I was at the bottom range. Let's see if it tries to test my order. So almost 2 points from 7. If you took 6, you're done. You're 2 points. If you took, for me, I was sitting at 6704.25. It didn't take an order yet. So yes, value area 1. All right, your trades are done. If you took an S1 on NASDAQ, S1 on ES, you got your couple of points. One more time, pressure came down. Trying to test S1 one more time. $15 points somebody took. Congratulations. Somebody done S1, done S1, S1, S1. Everybody took S1. Good. My order is still. So let me move this order now to maybe somewhere around here. So beautiful S1 trade. 10 o'clock news, guys. 9. Test, trying to go and test one more time. There you go. Everybody has one done. So if you took 7, you got 3 points. If you got 6, you got 4 points. If you took something, I actually was short from above. So let me change this to 60 minutes. A little bit better. $7.84. So the day's low became, so S1 is officially done. S1, congratulations, 25 point, perfect. So 24,785. Congratulations, S1. And day's high has been, where did the market open? Somewhere around 850, 24,840. 8886. So yeah. There you go. Vikram Bhai reported. He's done 2.5 points S1 short. He did 945. He did ES short. Well, he didn't go against the trend at all. And if you took a mid-band trade around here, right around here, this was your trade was done. The first mid-band, first pullback from 12, it's done. So this is the number of trades took place, orders sitting, and numbers of trades. So you guys can go up. Let me see. The whole book, look all the way up to 69.12 and go down to 65.35. Then you can analyze this on a longer time and see where people are sitting and what are they doing. New home sales, 1 minute. Be ready. All right, next candle, half an hour. Still pushing down. 817. Let's see which way it goes. The order book is not coming on my direct live stream. It's coming on my other live stream. So I'm putting that link in for you guys. In the Telegram, I shared the link. So How's the new home sales? 800,000 more green to go down, I believe. So let's see.
हाँ आप मुझे अपना मैं रात को भी आपको फोन कर रहा हूँ हाँ जी मैं इसीलिए नहीं से पहले कॉल कर रहा हूँ जी मैं आपकी फेवरेट है 61619 आपका ट्रांसफर रीसेट तो नहीं किया था
हेलो सर।
अभी उनका ईमेल आया हुआ है
अच्छा
क्योंकि कल भी नहीं होता अभी ट्राई करो अभी आपका ईमेल कंफर्म हो चुका है
यही
और सोचिए कैसे सकते
दुआएं सब बैठे हूँ।
उसका कैसे आप कैसे लगा
ठीक है, S1 डन हो गया। ट्रेड इज डन। बैक टू 840।
मैं इसको रीसेट कर आप बताएं क्या रखना जी नहीं कर सकते हैं हाँ इसको दोबारा से करें पहले वाला करें
प्लीज कंप्लीट केवाईसी प्रोसीड
हाँ जी हाँ जी, लॉग इन कर लें।
वेरीफाई माय आइडेंटिटी
जी हाँ
अभी शुरू हुआ क्या केवाईसी पहले नहीं था क्या
पहले भी था।
तो क्या है कि
नो योर कस्टमर, जिस तरह इधर नहीं किया आपने इधर सुपर एरियाज पे, तो वो भी करना पड़ जाएगा।
ऊपर क्या आज ये करना है हमसे कहें तो होता है
There you have cleaned up a little bit more.
Social insurance.
Bits, ask count, and the bit size. What changes? Ask size, bit size. So let's change this to ask count, bit count. Let's do both. Let's try to make it. Column. Let's ask for bit count, bit size, ask count, ask size. There. हाँ क्रिएट न्यू यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है अब आप हो गया सर अकाउंट सेट है अब सिर्फ लॉग इन करें और अकाउंट बाय कर लें हो गया अब क्लिक करें क्रिएट न्यू account
Selected trading platform तो इसमें
trade over it
और इसका प्रोमो कोड सुपर है
हाँ जी कैपिटल सो ऑल कैपिटल
इसका अभी तरह 90 डाले
हाँ जी वन टाइम अगर आप पास कर लेंगे 1 मंथ में तो एक्स्ट्रा फीस नहीं है 30-20 mid band was okay too back then just testing
तभी
this
मैं कहता बाकी सब टेक प्रॉपर्टी सही है
सबसे बेस्ट है सबसे अगर एक 30 डेज में पास कर लिया तो कोई मंथली फीस
और मिनिमम 5 है
मिनिमम 5 डेज इससे पहले नहीं कर सकते So let's see. We are at this 30-minute, 60-minute candle is a doji. So let's see if it gets to. Maybe I'll move my orders up to S2. Let's see 701. Where are the orders? Sitting. 725, 108 orders should give us something. And 7, so let's put to 725. There you go. Okay. Hello, Ji. Yeah, 720. क्या अच्छा था? Very good, very good. So if everybody sees 725, I got 108 orders sitting there. So I moved it within the S2 to around 726. Let's see, because these are live. And let's see for ES, where is 91 to 94. 97 has quite a few. 95 has quite a few. So 85 is quite a few. जी सुपर एरिया
Yes.
वो ये अंदर बता देंगे सॉरी मेरा काम
I got an answer from you,
no I never sent to anybody.
but it says you.
It's all automatic.
Yeah.
No, I mean it's not from my number. It's from a telegram, right?
Oh,
कहाँ से आया सर?
what's up?
नहीं मैं व्हाट्सएप किसी से बात ही नहीं करता भाई.
My mistake. I withdraw.
That's what- मैं किसी से मेरा डिपार्टमेंट नहीं है. So 6705 still has a lot of voters. It didn't get filled because it came to 6706. So let's see from S to 9275. Okay. Kind of love to scan these order books. Different people. Somebody's sitting at 65.38 to buy, and somebody's sitting at 69.06 to put a sell order. Yes, and of course, the farther you are, the more chances you're not gonna get. So 60-minute is a doji right now.
It's okay. Everybody, yeah. Yeah.
26. साम जी क्या हाल चाल है जी? दुआएं हैं? किसका सेल पे बुलनॉक्स है? बुलनॉक्स हाँ $16 का आ जाए मैं करा देता हूँ. हाँ वही मुझे कल हमने बात की थी तो ठीक है ले आए लैपटॉप सेट कर देते. बुलनॉक्स में और टेक प्रॉफिट दो कंपनी है. बिग पहली दफा कर रहे हैं बुलनॉक्स करें फर्स्ट टाइम. तो पहली दफा आपने बनाने 3000 और फिर दूसरी दफा बनाने 3000 50,000 वाला अकाउंट है ना तो उसमें 3000 बनाना है. हाँ जब भी हो जाए नो प्रॉब्लम ले आए नो प्रॉब्लम इट्स फाइन नो वरीज. $16 का ही. हाँ जी यस ट्रेलिंग फिक्स नहीं एंड ऑफ डे नहीं है लाइव. अगर वो जाना है फिर टेक प्रॉफिट $90 का. 2500 है ना आपका 25 मिलता है या
क्या होता है कि डोंट एक्सेप्ट मैक्सिमम पोजीशन
मीनिंग के इससे ज्यादा नहीं है. हाँ मीनिंग के 3 यस मिनी से ज्यादा नहीं जा सकते. 3 लॉट से ज्यादा. हाँ ना 1 2 या 3 मैक्सिमम. नहीं वो फिर इस अकाउंट साइज में नहीं.
Don't take the end of the trading drawdown limit. Trade for the most profitable. Like most profitable day is less than 50%.
मीनिंग के 750 से हाँ एग्जैक्ट.
Don't open position fast. Don't use trading boots.
नहीं वो कह रहे हैं ऑटोमेशन फुली पे न लगाएं खुद ट्रेड करें.
अच्छा लोग ऑटो भी
हाँ इतने
अभी इसको इंडिया डॉलर में कनेक्शन आप कर देंगे कि
हाँ हाँ, मुझे आपने पहले ट्रेडेवेट के एग्रीमेंट साइन करने। एक सेकंड, सुपर एरिया से चैट करना शुरू करेंगे, वो भी कर देते हैं। थर्टी वन।
सुपर एरिया में लिखा है KYC इसमें भी करना है कंप्लीट
है नी?
सुपर
हाँ, वहां पर भी केवाईसी करना।
You want feedback on this?
So stuck inside 825 to 837. Yeah, so 39 to 84 this 1 hour. September 12th.
And just please, when you shut it down, don't close down. Take this one. Okay. Control your charts. And when you shut it down, don't close down. Just take this.
Yes.
अभी सुपर एरिया वाले बोल
हाँ सुपर एरिया वाला भी कर। आपने वही ईमेल डाला था जो आपका सुपर एरियाज का ईमेल था, आपने उधर केवाईसी जो किया है, ईमेल वही डाला है जो सुपर एरियाज का था? एक सेकंड, मैं अभी देखता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे मैनुअल, आपने इधर डाला है मिस्टर संजय जीमेल वाला, ठीक है? नहीं, वेट करें, अब मैं इसको फिक्स करवाता हूँ, वेट करें। उधर क्या है?
मिस्टर संजय
याहू? ओके, एक सेकंड, क्योंकि मुझे मैनुअली, वरना फिर वो बार बार कहता रहेगा कि आपकी वेरिफिकेशन नहीं हुई। @hotmail.com। हाँ, मुझे अलर्ट आया है ना, वो कह रहा है कि अनएबल टू वेरीफाई। मैंने भी सामने बैठे हैं ना, फिर मैंने देखा है कि व्हाई इट्स नॉट लेटिंग यू वेरीफाई KYC, so it says good।
तो वैसे ये क्या है कि क्या
देखें, कल आप उठ के विन लाइफ टाइम का कुछ कह दें या सुपर एरियाज को कि मेरा लॉस हुआ, ठीक है? तो अभी तो एक डॉक्यूमेंट आया है, तो अब हमें मालूम है कि कौन हमारे से बात कर रहा है, ठीक है? नंबर 1 तो लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट है ना। नंबर 2, हमने नहीं स्टोर किया आपका डेटा, थर्ड पार्टी कर दिया, उनको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया। अभी एक और एग्रीमेंट भी ऊपर लिखा आएगा, वो भी साइन करना है कि भाई हम एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट है। ये एक दो थे, उन्होंने रीजन हुआ, आपस में ग्रुप बना लिया, ट्रेडिंग शुरू कर दी, मेन बंदे ने लूज कर दिया। अब वो बंदा हमारे पास आ रहा है कि उस बंदे ने हमारा लोगो लिया और अपना एक ग्रुप खोल लिया। तो it was such a big problem कि we decided that now KYC हर बंदे की होगी और डॉक्यूमेंट साइन होगा that if there is a कोड प्रॉब्लम वी नो कि भाई हमने, आपने तो डॉक्यूमेंट भी साइन किया हुआ है और कि हम तो ग्रुप बनाता ही नहीं है इस तरह का। सो जस्ट ट्राइंग टू कवर, और तो कोई मसला नहीं है। अगेन 818 पे खड़ी है प्राइस, लेट्स सी वेयर डज इट गो। आपका हो गया होगा सुपर एरियाज वाला KYC, मैंने फिक्स कर दिया, आप लॉग इन करेंगे ना? हाँ हाँ हाँ, उनसे जो क्या है कि so anybody who's watching my live stream of the order book, I've ordered 2 servers, so you will have a live stream of soon. Bit count. Size and So when you're watching this, guys, right here on the thing, ask count is total number of individuals. So maybe one by one, and ask size. So total number of like in this price, you have 2112 tenant. Okay, let's pick something that's easier to explain. So let's look at ES, and you want to look at this. So I have, let's do easier 1 and 1, 5 and 2. So one person is sitting as 6832 with one contract. Exactly. And then you have 11 and 2. 11 as size, 2 ask count. That means total contracts coming 11 contracts from 2 people. So ask 3 contracts from 3 people, 7 contracts from 2 people. So ask size really becomes important. 127 contracts from 61 people, 77 contracts from 44 people, 45 people. 107 contracts, 60 people. So in this case, if this was a real order, it belongs, it's not going to the real server, 6745. So let me give you a true example. This is simulation we are doing. You can put an order at 6911, 1, and it won't show up. But if you do a real order, let me see if I can put this on MES. Okay, MESZ5.CME. Okay, let's give a real example right here. Okay. Right now you see nobody sitting in 60, let me fix this so it doesn't center it always. 690250. Let me try to go place it real order on this. You can see NinjaTrader.com. Let me try to put in over 6902. Yes, Z5 does. Look, guys, if you want to see live order that does go to the market, and this is 100%, I'm logged into my NinjaTrader.com, my live account, exchange live rhythmic account. So I went to the order book and look at to see. So I have right now, there's nobody sitting at 6902. There's nobody who has placed an order. Watch me place a live order on my live account. 6902. You will see an order right now on my live stream. Boom. You see this? This is live order. It does work 100%. So if you want to check it, and there's a huge benefit of this. So there's an order sitting right now, and if I cancel this and I move it to 6105, I place an order right here. There you go. I just placed a live order. One contract, one MES, one Rafay, one order globally. I'm sitting. So when you see this, there are two people. So give me a second. Now let's do this to show you guys a little how all of this comes together. Column. Let's do bid count. Remove everything else. Ask count, volume, nothing. I don't care about any of this. Okay. So bid count, bid size, total. I don't even care about total. This is live order book. You can see it. So I don't care. Okay. You see right now, it says ask size is 1. So Rafay has placed a live order, limit order, sell at 690175 on my Ninja with Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and you see my order book is filling up. This is like 500, 1500 levels. 690175. I will go and cancel. So there's one person and one. So if there were two people who can put an order, it would show. So now let me change this to 2 quantities. 1 second. $69 or 2. So I changed the quantity to 2, and I'm placing an order at 6.9. That got canceled, and you should see this. Watch this. So I have 2 contracts. I have placed a live order, limit order 6902 live. This is depth of market, 500 levels, 1 person. So ask count is 1. That means 1 person has placed 2 orders there. So this changes 7 to 7. Maybe everybody has 1. 1 person has placed 2. So this ask size says number of lots, contracts on that. Number of people, ask count is for 1. Let me ask my son to put a limit order as 6902 as well. Give me a second. Let's make this interesting. Where can you see the order book for mine? It will be under live stream. If you go under Telegram, order book right here, you can see 500 levels order book right here. So I'm going to log into another, I'm going to ask my son to place a sell order at a live account at 6902. Let's take a look at this. Okay, live trading. All right, let me talk to him and if he can place an order. Can you place an order on December contract MES 6902? So he will go and place the order. Okay, so 6902, I have placed two orders, one person, micros on my live Ninja account. You guys can see that. Okay. 690. So this, to show you this is live, this is not simulated or fakes, nothing like that. Okay. He's about to place an order now. Come on, give me a green light. So what price? 6902. There you go. He just placed an order now at 6902, and now two people, but three contracts. So me, myself, I have placed two contracts. That's one person. My son, I just asked him, go to 6902, place an order, and then you see now it has showing two people, but three contracts. Let me ask him to change it one more time to maybe five contracts. You see that number became 7. So two people, 7 contracts are planning to. So we have a limit order sitting, both of us, myself, 2 contracts, my son, 5 contracts. So this represents the number of people sitting. Ask count is number of people. Ask size is number of contracts. So this is a live book. You have a tool now. So very soon I will be able to, where can you see my order book? Guys, it's not done yet. I only posted it on Telegram. I posted in Telegram my live stream. It's not, I will paste this on basically the order book. This is not, remember, when you put an order on Bullnox, Apex, Take Profit, Purdia, it doesn't go to exchange. It just goes to their server. Just remember that. So your orders are not creating any sort of like movement at all. This is all prop firms. Unless you are a live account, unless you have a live money account, your orders never get to an exchange. So these prop firm pays you from their own server, their own everything. So don't think if you can place 1,000 orders, you can move the market. Nothing will happen. It simulates the real market environment into your prop firm. But now to show you an example that my son has an order 5 contracts at 6902, 5 micros. So this shows right here on my live stream number of people that are sitting waiting for an order to be filled. 6902 is the price, a number of contracts. So let me ask him to cancel his contracts. So let's say kills the order. Look, so he exited the queue, and I have to ask him one question. Technical question to solve. Cumulatively, one result for the different contracts. Stop order. Stop.
Always the other. Stop or. They can go stop wrong. They can just exit over and take it हाँ वो एरिया क्योंकि कई बार मैं देखा 85 तो बाद ना वापस आ क्यूज जिनने पहले आ गए क्यूज हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक फिर दोबारा लाओगे तो 85 तो 86 लगेगा ठीक नो प्रॉब्लम
All right. Does it make sense to you guys now? What am I doing on a live account? If you go, you want to do a test with me right now, go to 6902 or 690175, place a sell limit or sell stop order. You will be able to see a live mechanism working with the order book globally. So how this all works is pretty fascinating. So remember, when you are doing a sell limit, somebody is doing you have to have a buyer there at that level. Otherwise, not. So there you go. My order has been placed. And if I go back to 825. So hopefully this clears you how the orders of this is called depth of market order book, live accounts only. And you can pick anywhere where people are going and sitting. So I will cancel my orders, my personal live orders from 6902. And if I cancel, you will see 6902 order got canceled, blink of an eye. So hopefully it makes sense. Let's come back to what we were doing earlier. This is my Bullnox order, 6745. Maybe I'll bring it down to 6744. And this is my R2 order, 24,970. This is my buy order, 24,726. This is my buy limit, 6692. So I want to see from 91 to 94 what's available. 91 to 94. 91 to 94. You see right here, quite a few orders are sitting in 95. So different users, different level, because 95 becomes our Ninja's pivot of S1, even though it's S2 for you. 9,534, sorry, 39 people are, so 39 people, 134 contracts. The more people versus number of contracts. So simple. So 50 people right here, their orders get filled, goes to the next stop orders, 30, so 450 people, 99 orders. The price right now is between R1 and S1. Both markets are pretty much synced. 19 here, maybe 11 o'clock candle. Let's see. Let's see if it goes back to 875 pivot and 60. So 60-minute mid band is now magenta. So the value area is from 52 to 12. Let's see if it goes and tests pivot again. 60, 24. Okay, let me see if I can embed this on my. So how the order book works and everything. So I'm waiting for the price to go to S2 or lower. What is my order? 456. So 61 people sitting with 102 contracts, that's 16. So depth of level 2, depth of market, 62 people, 61 people sitting at 170 at 25. So 25 is the PP. Right here, lots of people sitting on PP to sell. So it should get a couple of points right there. 25, one is the number of contracts. Then the big number of contracts is right here, 6790. That's far though. That's above expected high. So within our R2 zone, R2, we can look at it. So from 42 to 45, I would like to see. Let's see. So 42 to 45, as you see, 42 has 29 people sitting at 44. So within the area, you can zoom in. 45 has like 40 people sitting with 86 contracts. If I place this order right here, ES, and I move it to 45, that makes no difference in the because it's not a live account. So 45. You see, it still changes nothing. So 45, 45, 40, 86. If I move it to 44, I don't want to auto center it. Too annoying. 44. You see here, I moved it to 44, makes no difference. These orders never go to real exchange. They only go to rhythmic exchange. But they get treated as, so how many people sitting where? So there's still, like this is the count, 7,600 people want to sell orders, but almost 6,500 people want to buy. There are more contracts in buying right now, but almost same. Number of contracts, number of people. So almost 2,200 people want to sell market. And look, it's coming down. We're touching S1 again for the NASDAQ. So buy, sell, buy, sell. So it changes. So a little bit of a better tool for us to understand that if you want to zone inside the area, should I take 7 or 8 or 9 or 10, wherever, you can kind of go ahead and, so this tool will be running 24/7. And during the day, I'll be doing manual and then I'll automate it. So it will go page up, page down. It will scroll like this for you. At any given time, if you don't want to pay $41 US per month, 2 markets, I will tell you right now. So so 8118, 802, 804. Interesting. There you go. Live orders.
इसका इंटरनेट स्लो तो हो नहीं रहा
Sorry?
इंटरनेट स्लो से हो नहीं रहा आप कर देंगे
इंटरनेट हो नहीं रहा अच्छा अच्छा दही मुझे एनी डस्ट दही
1300
एक सेकंड All right, half an hour candle just begins. It tested S2, S1 right now, one more time. So let's see which way it goes.
wow.
Did you?
1300
एक second. 1300.
211288
Currency accept. Optimal number, I'm in from 726 if I look at NASDAQ. 726. Yes. Look, 740 has quite a few people, number of 8, 10. 700 is reasonable too. Quite a bit of contract sitting from 700. So 705. So it's like a scale between buyers and sellers, and then you can go enter and let me at that time. Let's see how many people will do stop orders. So I'm waiting for 726 at least. आपका ट्रेड वेट हो गया ना डन हो गया यस अब निंजा खोलिए लेजेंड्स हाँ ये लेजेंड्स डिस्कनेक्ट कर देता हूँ बुलनॉक्स पे भी अब मैं करूँगा न्यू ऑर्डर सॉरी नॉट दिस might take profit. Connection ये लिखा गया जी, might take profit. Done हो गया, all done. अब any desk बंद कर दें. Yeah, all done.
तो इसको जैसे शाम को 5 बजे के बाद हम 6 बजे के बाद फिर कर सकते हैं।
Yeah.
सिर्फ 5 की 4:30 के बाद से 5 की 6 के बीच में
बंद ही है ना, मार्केट ही बंद है, लेकिन इस 5 से 6 तो मार्केट बंद है, लेकिन आप सारे ऑर्डर बंद कर दिएगा 4:45 तक। हाँ जी, 7:24, 7:25 is okay.
वो उसका तो हो गया वेरिफिकेशन।
हाँ, आपका हो गया वेरीफाई।
Okay, sir.
No problem. No. Waiting for S2 now. 3020 is showing SRES. Let's see. $783 coming towards it slowly. All right, 785. I don't think I should have sell limits anymore because it's way below S1. The second time it came around was again touched S2 the second time. S1, sorry. Still more so. So today's low 7.7, lower range, very close to lower range it came. $24,777. $800. Let's see. If it wants to go back into the value area one more time. Back to AF7. Let's see. Touches the value area. Trying to pull up. Previous low was 780. Waiting. It's a waiting game. I need to make it 200. trying to come down. I want it to go to 726. Not much move, only $33. Which back in S1 one more time. Let's see if it breaks. 6706 and yesterday's low is 6701, so it should go to S2 for sure. And yesterday's low is 780, so it should go to S2. Both markets should go to S2. Heading it slowly. Finally, some retraces are coming, but not the ones that we want. 240 chart. Let's see. Minute. $240. Because it should come down to truly somewhere around here, expected low, 630 today. So a good entry would be 642 for sure. First attempt, second attempt, because you on 240, you have these green boxes on NASDAQ. So now it's finally getting inside the ranges, 770, newer low. There you go, starting to make a news. So broken S1 officially, both markets. Let's see, 93, how many people sitting? Lots sitting in 95, lots of them 95. Maybe you want to take it to where area starts somewhere 94. 95, but both markets are 68, lower band of very close to yesterday's low, 6701. It's testing it. So we have few lows. One low here, September 22nd, and a little bit lower. Let's see. Right now it's at the lower band of NASDAQ of S1. Yep, 65, so 26 is over zone. Let's see how long it takes. 24,350 would be a really good entry, but not now. Maybe starting tomorrow, you're gonna see these zones now. Back from 25,000, so 24,500, 500 point, it must do a retrace. Remember, on a daily chart, let's add a 1-day chart. So daily chart for US, and that's still for daily for NASDAQ, 1 day. Daily is up 1,765. So where can I get some fib levels? So 25,027, 1756. It should come down to somewhere around 24,350, and then lower than that, 24,350. So the biggest it can take is 23,750. Let's see this, 23,009, around 650. If it takes a full 78% retrace, so somewhere around here, 70% retrace will put us in this zone. And next one is 1 week. Weekly is up quite a bit. That's far though. Then it starts to get into really long-term position. Monthly, $18,000. Yeah, it would be a good buy for a long term. If you want to buy 18,000. So we went from 17 to somewhere 18,000, but one candle is 1 month, just remember. So because monthly has a bit of a divergence. Back that was a year ago. Now we have a divergence again on a monthly. So we are looking at 18,025. And if you're looking for multiple decades of investment, you look for a year. 10 years. Anyway, we don't have to go that crazy. Okay. So there's a daily has a divergence too. So it should come down to 23,700 eventually. Weekly. This week. And daily. And back to 240. So it's at a bottom range. So I'm waiting for S2. 60 minutes. A little bit lower than this band. S2 actually 63 to 75. S2 is 30, 10 to 728. So looking at the levels, 726 is what I got. Nine people, 11 contracts are on there. So if it breaks 6704, which it is trying to, a couple of times. Hello, sir. क्या हाल चाल है जी? आ जाइए बैठे. वो खोलो आर ट्रेडर खोलो या ऐप खोलो या चलो चेक कर दें. नहीं ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਿਦਮਿਕ ਤੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਬੁਲਨੌਕ से या ਕਿਹੜੀ ਕੰਪਨੀ? अच्छा किधर गया है?
चली जाए नेगेटिव सारे पॉजिटिव थे लेकिन ऑर्डर भी कोई नहीं क्लोज भी कर सकता था.
नहीं मैं स्क्रीन पे पहुंचना चाह रहे हैं. हाँ इतों कर दियो for now just cancel. अच्छा control center. नहीं देखो एक सेकंड सिर्फ ਤੁਸੀਂ कनेक्टेड कितने हो? ये पैक से डिस्कनेक्ट कर दें, बुलनॉक से डिस्कनेक्ट कर दें. दोबारा रिकनेक्ट करना है। पोजीशंस ਤੇ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਕ ਐਪੈਕਸ ਹੈ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੇ ਆਰਡਰ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਪੂਰਾ ਐਨਕਿਊ ਲੌਂਗ ਹੋਇਆ 771 ਤੋਂ
ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੈਟਰਨ ਕਰਤੇ ਸੀ ਕਲੋਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ
ਲੇਕਿਨ ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੁਣ ਹਜੇ ਚੱਲਣ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ
ਉਹਦੇ
ਹੁਣ ਐਪੈਕਸ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਆਰਡਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਸਿਰਫ ਇਹ ਬੁਲਨਕਸ ਦਾ ਆਰਡਰ ਪਿਆ
ਦੂਜੇ ਵੀ ਲੈਗ ਦੀ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ
ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਕੁਛ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਕੁਛ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ एपेक्स डिस्कनेक्ट है ट्रेडोवेट दा ट्रेडोवेट दी विंडो इधरों देख लेने एपेक्स ही है ना
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਇਹਦੀ पोजीशन विंडो किधर गई पोजीशन क्योंकि ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜਲਦੀ ਨਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੱਢ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ पोजीशन ਕੋਈ ਆਰਡਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਾ एपेक्स ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ
ਓਕੇ
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਿਰਫ ਮੈਂ ਮੈਕਸਿਮਮ ਕਰ ਦੂੰਗਾ ताकि तो नजर आ जाए एवरेज से
ਸਾਰਾ ਪੋਸਟ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਚਲੋ ਡਨ ਕਰ ਦੇ
नहीं लेकिन कोई ऑर्डर ਇੱਥੇ ਹੁਣ ਕੋਈ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਐਪੈਕਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਸਿਰਫ ਬੁਲਨਕਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ ਆ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ
ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਤੇ ਗਏ ਮੇਰੇ
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ
ਨਹੀਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਚੱਲ
ਉਹ
ਰਿਹਾ
ਫੋਟੋ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ
ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਦੋਨੇ ਬੁਲਨਕਸ ਤੇ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਿਆ ਨਾ ਬੁਲਨਕਸ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਨੰਬਰ 6 ਤੇ 7 ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਪੂਰਾ ਐਨਕਿਊ ਲੱਗਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਅੱਛਾ
हाँ पूरा एनक्यू लगा है
ਫਿਰ ਸਟਿਲ
नहीं क्योंकि अगर
ਸਿਮ ਤੇ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਨਾ
नहीं लेकिन होया है कि देखो पूरा एनक्यू किसी तरह लग गया ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿਮ ਤੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਇੰਸਟਰੂਮੈਂਟ ਖੁੱਲੇ ਨਾ MES MNQ ਇਹ ਫੁੱਲ एनक्यू ਲੱਗਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਸਰ ਹੁਣ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰਾइस S2 ਦੀ ਤਰਫ ਬੜੀ ਤੇਜ਼ੀ ਨਾਲ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ आ गई 750 आ गया एक तक गया उन्हें काट देता क्योंकि 450 हो गया जी हाँ एक अकाउंट तो उन्हें खुद ही लिक्विडेट कर देता है 6 नंबर क्योंकि उधर चन्नी जान नहीं सी लेकिन फुल एनक्यू कितने लग गया सा
मैं सिम पे लाना प्रैक्टिस कर दूंगा
हाँ हाँ
चलो ये ना ये होते
हाँ हाँ
ये सिम देख मैं काफी देर तक कितनी है
हाँ
तो मैं उससे शायद वो थल्ले आया
हाँ
मैं उन्हें अड्डा की करता
हाँ
तो मैं तो कितने कल्ला सिम
हाँ कि वो चले दो रह गए ने सिम ते वेट
ये
कर
है नॉर्मली बंद क्यों होते हैं मतलब
नहीं मैं तो डिस्कनेक्ट करके रिकनेक्ट करो फिर कनेक्ट होंगे ने all right price is inside S2 very close my order is somewhere around so 744 750 so it went as low as 737 so our area was 730 to 720 let's see which way and we finally are at 67 no come on I know I'm tempted to go in don't do that I moved it up it went to 3075 don't do that moving it up a little bit come on pick me up come on 732 31 there you go my order got picked up and I'm done my points. All orders got picked up. 110, 115. These are live orders. I got picked up slightly. So I will cancel my ES. So let's see what. So I saw 10 points. I didn't take it yet. Let's see. And I'm done my trade. Look, $130 copier. I will see. That's what happens when you're not fast enough. And I will exit around here. Sell limit 739. Let's do 10 points. So didn't have an ATM going. Oh, this. So I saw. If you're done, you're done. I didn't take it. So I have it from 728. I saw $145, $170. I didn't have an ATM, but it's okay. No problem. It happens. There you go. Done, 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 done. 145. This is full NQ. Come on, pull me up. 28.2. Well, went back up. So 28. Let's see. A little bit. I'll put my orders up. Let's take 28,250. Take 20 points. Let's see. We're inside the area. $721, $717. This is what happens when you don't put an ATM in there. Let's see if it pulls back up. If you were to take an ES, can I do an ES from here too? I don't want to take two. I'll do an average later. We're in excess 2. Good go. Bottom range. Time to enter here. In the live account. $711. If you're done from the area, guys, you're done. Okay? If you're done from the area, you're done, you're done, you're done. Come on, pull me up again. So give me at least 20 points. Nah, worry about it again. Give me some, then take enough points this time around. $20 stone, close to rhythm. Five more points done. Congratulations. See, I'm still waiting for some points, at least 20 points. I didn't take it. So let's see, 15 points from S2. I didn't take my points yet. I'll worry about it later. Maybe I'll go from area to area. So testing again that number. Yeah, it should give five. First you got 10, then I saw 10 points. I didn't take it. It's okay. No problem. Testing 7-1. So lowest is 711. 710, newer low. 709. 708, 707. Should pull up 706. Finally, retraces are coming. $702. Now finally 600 ranges, 300 points from 25,000. 696. $694, $694.50 is the lowest. Let's pulls up. I'll try to do an average later, not worried. This time price didn't get 699.94. 87. There you go. Free fall. Absolute free fall now. Perfect. Finally. 685. So guys, next number for you guys is somewhere expected low. And expected low is coming 66.80. 680 is the newer low. It's 84. Mm, 78. Maybe try to do an average later. So 60, where am I? It's 24,728 minus 24,000. I don't know. Next candle, 12 o'clock. Let's see. Goes back up. Near low, 75. $73 is the new low. हाँ जी आ जाए हाँ मैं बस लाइव स्ट्रीम बंद नहीं कर रहा हूँ starting to pull up a little. All right, guys. So see you guys tomorrow, 9 o'clock, and I'll add these streams to the system soon. So the new number to watch for is expected low. Let me show you guys. 240. So 570 would be, that's too little, too far. 650 should be okay. Should give us some. There you go. Almost 45-point retrace came on ES and 350 points came on NASDAQ from 2 days. Okay. See you guys. Enjoy. If anybody's stuck in micros, may wait for 650s. जी सर जाएं superareas.com पर बुल नॉक्स पे क्लिक करें 3020 mid-band didn't, 1510 mid-band didn't work. Came at 682, 729.